Okay, so in this tutorial I'll show you how to use Google Analytics with Easy Video Player. To start, we need of course you need to create a Google Analytics account. I will not go into details how to do this because it's not the scope of this tutorial. You can find info online about this. There are countless tutorials about how to use Google Analytics. So we need after the account is created, we will need a tracking code. This can be taken from here. As you can see, this string here, this is what you need, and from it we only need this string from the config. After we have this, in the preset, create a new preset, and in the where are you? Okay, in the Google Analytics tracking code here, just add this code that we copied from there and update the preset settings. After this is done, just add a video using the shortcode. If you don't know how to use this, there is an extensive tutorial about how to use the entire shortcode here, interface. Just add a test, add a video. Okay, we can check the shortcode from here, or we can just use the button to add the shortcode here. Update and preview changes. So now let's go to real time and events. So currently the player has two events. One of them is played and the other one it's downloaded. It falls in the category videos. So what this means, when a video is downloaded, it will be registered here, and when a video is played, it will be registered here. This is real time, so it's really useful to see if this is working. So right now, if I click play and stop the video, an event should pop up here. Hopefully it will work. So I apologize, I made a mistake. This is a good thing to show you here. I didn't add the preset that has the Google Analytics enabled. So the preset is number 8. Let's add it like this, update. And now if we refresh the page, let's go back to real time and events. Let's click play again and just scroll to the top. So yeah, the event was sent. I'll show you again. I'm sorry, there was some cache issues. The page was still loading the old preset. Okay, so let's try again. So now we'll play the video, and after the video completes playing, sorry, the event should, as you can see, it popped up here. And also if you look in the last 30 minutes events, we see that we have the played event 4th time. I'll just click again to register it again to see that it's working. So now it should be 5 times, you can see here. And also downloaded, I've done some testing before. So if, as you can see, downloaded now, it's 4 times. And if I click download again, it should be registered here. As you can see, downloaded 5 times. So these events, this is just the real time to see that it's working. And if you go in detail here, we can see which video was played, the path of it. Sorry, this is the downloaded. Which video was downloaded? As you can see, it was downloaded 5 times. You can see the path and the name. And here, the played event, You can see the video path, the percent played, how long. Actually, the percent played is self-explanatory. I don't need to say that. And when it was started and when it was stopped, at what time. I'm sorry, when it is stopped, and also if it's full screen. So this is the real time, just to see that it's working, but to actually have a better view of how this works, just go to behavior and events and top events. Select the date that you want to see. Currently it's 29, and here we can see all the videos, all the events that we have sent. So we have videos, we have downloaded 4 times and played 2 times. This will take a few minutes to update, so we'll have to wait a little bit more to see everything, but we can see that today we had 4 downloads and 2 plays and 2 played events. So we can go into detail to see which video was downloaded. It's starting to update it, so it's a bit confusing now. It's saying 5. Actually, you can see here the video path and the video name. And now if you go back, yeah, it's, as you can see, it's updated to the played event. We can see in detail here what I showed you in the real-time feature. So as you can see, we had the video played 4 times, and you can see here which video was played, how long for percent played, when it was stopped, and if it was in full screen or not. So basically this is how it's working. Like, I've added this info like this in object form because it's possible to use advanced segmentation to actually sort this stuff. If you have, I don't know, 1000 plays a day to see exactly what's happening, but this is outside the scope of this tutorial. So it's really easy to use. All you need is a Google account, Google Analytics account, which is free. Add the code in the preset, and you will have a really detailed overview of what's happening. And of course, you will also have access to the entire Google Analytics suite. You can actually see what's happening on the page and so forth. So this is good, I think. Okay, so this is it. So thank you for watching.